Hi, my name's Rosie. I'm a master's student at St. Peter's and I live in the Paradise Street Annexe, which is behind me. And we're going to take a look now at it. So the Paradise Street Annexe is less than a 5 minutes walk away from St. Peter's. It's a lovely walk. We're right by the Oxford Castle and the old Oxford Castle walls. And we also have like Westgate as well, which is really close by for kind of grocery shopping. Paradise Street has 3 levels and each floor has their own kitchen, and then we also have a common room on the ground floor, and it's like a really nice space. So this is my room. Let's take a look inside. So yeah, this is my room. Some features that I really like. There's a double bed, which I think is sometimes a rarity at university, so that's really good. And also like the underbed storage. There's also a wardrobe. Each bedroom has an ensuite. The desk is quite large. I study here quite often and the Wi-Fi is great. I'm on the ground floor here, so I have a nice big window for natural light, but some of the rooms on the upper floors have balconies. My sister actually went to St. Peter's and she was at Paradise Street, and I remember coming to visit her, and it's quite funny now that this is where I live, and this is a paint by numbers actually done by her. She gave it to me. It's a nice reminder of her.